Hey there, Todd with Tribble Painting. Welcome to the Wall of Color. In today's video, we're going to be using Benjamin Moore's color Simply White, OC-117. This is a very popular color in the Benjamin Moore line. We'll be using the Regal Select Eggshell product. This color does not have a lot of tint in it, so I'll be interested to see if we can get this covered in two, or maybe we'll need a third coat to go over this green color behind this. So stay tuned, let's take a look at OC-117 Benjamin Moore Simply White.
All right, here we have our first coat of Benjamin Moore Simply White. I'll stand back so you can kind of see the whole thing. So decent coverage, not great, kind of what we expected here. We knew this would be a 2 for sure and possibly 3 coater. You can see through some of the roller stipple there, and we'll give this another coat and show you what that second coat of Simply White looks like when we're done. Okay, so there's the second coat of Simply White, Benjamin Moore's OC-117. Very bright color. This is going to bring a lot of light into any setting if you use this on the walls and ceilings. We use this a lot just as the trim color, but you could use it as the whole room, wall, ceiling, and trim. This color has a LRV, or light reflective value, of 91.7. So on a scale of 0 to 100, it's really going to reflect a lot of light back into the room. In some settings, depending on the furnishings, you might hint slightly towards yellow, not a lot, but if you have a lot of natural light coming in, this is going to be a bright, crisp, clean color. And this color was recommended by one of our viewers, so we thank them for suggesting it. If you have a color you're interested in seeing on the Wall of Color, please let us know. Thanks again for watching. Please hit subscribe and like. It helps other people interested in color find our videos.